The shift to remote work has revolutionized the way we live and work, significantly impacting the real estate market. As companies adopt flexible work policies, employees are rethinking where they want to live, leading to transformative changes in the housing market. Let's explore how remote work is shaping the real estate landscape in a way that's easy to understand and interesting to read. The rise of remote work. Remote work was already gaining traction, but the COVID-19 pandemic accelerated its adoption. Companies around the world transitioned to remote operations almost overnight, and many discovered that employees could be just as productive, if not more so, working from home. As a result, remote work has become a permanent fixture for many businesses. More flexibility in living locations. One of the most significant impacts of remote work is the newfound flexibility employees have in choosing where to live. Without the need to commute to a physical office every day, people are no longer tied to living near their workplace. This shift has led to several notable trends. Suburban migration. Many city dwellers are moving to the suburbs or rural areas in search of more space, affordability, and a better quality of life. Larger homes with yards, home offices, and proximity to nature have become highly desirable. Affordable living. Employees are opting to relocate to areas with a lower cost of living. Cities like Austin, Nashville, and Boise have seen an influx of remote workers attracted by lower housing costs and a high quality of life. Vacation destinations as permanent residences. Popular vacation spots like beach towns and mountain retreats are experiencing a surge in demand as people choose to live in what were once considered holiday destinations. Impact on urban real estate. The shift away from urban centers has had a profound impact on city real estate markets. Decrease in demand for office space. With more employees working remotely, the demand for office space has decreased. Companies are rethinking their office needs, leading to a rise in flexible co-working spaces and a decrease in long-term leases for large office buildings. Decline in rental prices. Many urban areas have seen a decline in rental prices due to reduced demand. Landlords are offering incentives such as reduced rent and flexible lease terms to attract tenants. Revitalization of urban spaces. Some cities are using this opportunity to revitalize urban spaces, converting office buildings into residential units or mixed-use developments to adapt to the changing needs of the population. Housing market dynamics. The remote work trend has also affected the overall dynamics of the housing market. Increased home sales. The demand for single-family homes has skyrocketed, leading to a surge in home sales. This increased demand has caused home prices to rise, creating a competitive market for buyers. Home improvement boom. With more time spent at home, homeowners are investing in home improvements, particularly those that enhance home office spaces and outdoor living areas. Interest in multi-generational living. Families are considering multi-generational living arrangements, combining resources to purchase larger homes that can accommodate extended family members. The future of remote work in real estate. As remote work becomes a long-term arrangement for many companies, the real estate market will continue to evolve. Here are some trends to watch. Smart home technology. Homes equipped with smart technology that supports remote work, such as high-speed internet, advanced security systems, and home automation, will become increasingly desirable. Sustainability. Eco-friendly homes that offer energy efficiency and sustainable living options will attract environmentally conscious remote workers. Flexible workspaces. The design of homes will adapt to include flexible workspaces, with features like soundproof rooms, ergonomic furniture, and dedicated office spaces becoming standard. Conclusion. The remote work revolution has transformed the real estate market, offering new opportunities and challenges for buyers, sellers, and investors. The flexibility to live and work from anywhere has reshaped housing preferences and market dynamics, leading to significant changes in urban and suburban areas alike. As the trend continues, the real estate industry will need to adapt to meet the evolving needs of remote workers, ensuring that homes and communities are equipped for the future of work. Whether you're considering a move to a more spacious home, investing in property, or simply curious about the latest trends, understanding the impact of remote work on real estate can help you make informed decisions in this ever-changing landscape. Happy house hunting, and enjoy the new flexibility that remote work brings to your life. Are you ready to sell your property but unsure where to start? Look no further. At Galaxy Realty LLC, we specialize in turning your real estate dreams into reality. Here's why partnering with us is the best decision you'll make. With years of experience in the real estate market, our team of professionals knows the ins and outs of property sales. We stay ahead of market trends to ensure you get the best value for your property. We believe every property is unique, and so is our approach. Our customized marketing plans are designed to highlight the best features of your property, attracting the right buyers quickly and efficiently. From the initial consultation to the final closing, we provide end-to-end support. Our dedicated agents are always available to answer your questions, provide updates, and offer expert advice. Our vast network of potential buyers, investors, and industry contacts means your property gets maximum exposure. We leverage our connections to find the perfect match for your property. What our clients say. Working with Galaxy Realty LLC was a game changer. They made the selling process seamless and stress-free. I couldn't have asked for a better experience. Maria Morales. Their attention to detail and personalized service set them apart. I highly recommend Galaxy Realty LLC to anyone looking to sell their property. Olivia Miller. Ready to sell? Let's get started. Don't leave the sale of your property to chance. Trust the experts at Galaxy Realty LLC to deliver exceptional results. Contact us today for a free consultation and discover how we can help you achieve your real estate goals. For more details, feel free to contact Alex at Galaxy Realty LLC. You can text Alex at 95455455020 or email him at mygalaxyrealty@gmail.com. Thank you.